Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily check how much time you spend on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down until you find battery, and right here you can check how much time you spend in each of these apps. You can switch it from showing percentages to showing minutes, and also you can switch this data from last 24 hours to last 10 days in that simple way. Then you can scroll down and you have to find TikTok in that list. Here it is. As you can see, I've spent 56 minutes on TikTok for the last 10 days, including 52 minutes on the screen and 4 minutes in the background. And in the same way, you can check statistics for each particular app in that simple way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.